Hey there, and welcome to your grammar video for this week, Unit 7, Green Reading. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the definite article the, as well as the indefinite articles and an. Let's get started. A few things you'll need to know before listening to this lesson are: what is a singular count noun, like one apple? What are plural count nouns, like two apples? What are non-count nouns, like water? You'll also need to know the meaning when we say vowel sounds and consonant sounds. You need to remember what superlatives with the are. Again, if you don't remember these things, take a moment to review them and come back. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about the definite article the. We'll also talk about the indefinite articles and an, as well as when to choose or an. Now, the definite article the is used when we are talking about a specific person, place, or thing, but not a name. Again, an example: I will go to the store. In this example, the store I'm going to is specific. I know which store. However, I will go to the panda. Again, here we have a name. We don't use the. I will go to panda is correct. Now, don't use articles with names unless the is a part of the name. The United States of America, the Atlantic Ocean, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the Louvre Museum. The King of Saudi Arabia is correct. However, we do not say the King Salman. Also, you'll remember that we use the definite article with superlatives. So, section 19 is the best class in PYD. This is the worst shawarma in Al-Hassa. I am the tallest man in the world. We have two indefinite articles in English, and an. Again, we use and an before singular count nouns that aren't specific. You have to remember we don't use or an before plural count nouns or non-count nouns. Some examples: I don't want to cook. Let's eat at a restaurant. Again, in this example, I don't have a specific restaurant in mind. We also use or an the first time we mention something. For example, yesterday I went to a farm. The farm was beautiful. Again, in the first sentence, we use the indefinite article because it's the first time we hear about the farm. However, in the second sentence, we use the definite article because now the farm is a specific place. It's the farm we wrote in the previous sentence. We can choose between or an from the sound of the first letter, not the spelling of the next word. Choose an if the first sound is a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an egg, an igloo, an octopus, an umbrella. We choose if the first sound is a consonant sound. For example, a bag, a cat, a dog, a frog, a goat, or a hat. Now, be careful. Some words start with a vowel but have a consonant sound, and some words start with a consonant but have a vowel sound. These words usually start with U or H. Some examples: an umbrella. Here we have a vowel sound, so we use an. A university. Again, this is spelled with a vowel, but we hear a consonant sound, so we use a. An hour. Because the sound is a vowel sound, we use an. A house. Again, we have a consonant sound, so we use a. A few more examples. Yesterday I went to a museum. We say a museum using the indefinite article because it's mentioned for the first time. It's not a specific museum. I was there for an hour. Again, we have the indefinite article because it's not specific as to which hour. And we use an because we have the vowel sound. The museum wasn't very bad. Here we have the definite article because now we know which museum, the one from the first sentence. The science museum in Dammam is better. Here we have the definite article because they're referencing a specific museum in Dammam. And finally, it is the best museum in the world. Here we have the definite article because it's the superlative. Let's take a practice quiz. Pause the video and answer the questions. Once you finish, hit play and we'll check your answers. Question 1. I took blank long drive in the desert on Saturday. Again, here we're not talking about something specific, so we can use the indefinite article. Because we have long, consonant sound, we use a. So A is the correct answer. Question 2. My goal was to get 100% on blank test at least once in PYD. Again, here we don't have something specific. Any test will do. We have test, which is a consonant sound. So A, is the correct answer. Question 3. I finally accomplished my goal when I got 100% on blank Unit 6 speaking test. Again, in this statement, we have a specific exam, Unit 6, so we use the definite article, the, C. Question 4. I found blank museum that has a lot of interesting artifacts. Again, here we're not talking about any museum, and it may be the first time we mentioned it, so we use the indefinite article, A. Question 5. Blank museum with interesting artifacts is in Lhasa. Well, now we know the museum you're talking about, so we can use the definite article the, so C is the correct answer. Question 6. When I got home, I saw that there was blank water all over the floor of my bathroom. So again, here we have water, a non-count. We don't need an article, so D is the correct answer. Question 7. I realized blank pipe under my sink was broken. Here we're talking about something specific, the pipe under my sink. So we need the definite article, and C is the correct answer. Question 8. Blank most interesting museum I have ever been to is in Amsterdam. Again, looking at this statement, we have the superlative, most interesting. So we need the, C. Question 9. Blank students usually like to watch movies in class. Again, in this statement, I'm talking about any students. We don't need an article, so D is the correct answer. Question 10. Blank students in PYD are all great people who I like a lot. In this statement, I'm talking about specific students, the ones in the PYD, so we use the definite article, and C is the correct answer. As always, I hope this was useful. Class dismissed.